Okay, usually custom duty is charged for the imported or exported item. So in Sri Lanka, you are going to send some spices to UK. Okay, to UK. So you need to pay custom duty. That is importing. So from UK, you are exporting shoes and computers, computer watches. Likewise, for those items, you need to pay custom duty as well. To sell something to out of the country or from out of the country to in the country, when you need to bring that item to our country, you need to pay custom duty. Not for all the products. Okay, there are some custom duty free products. In airports, you can see the duty free shops in both international airports and local airports. You can see a particular launch that is dedicated to tax free. That means um, duty free quota, duty free quota of products. For those some perfumes and beauty products, soaps, some food items, some powders, something like that. There are some limitations that will change country to country. So there are some duty free products as well, mostly for electronic items, clothes, and accessories, mm, mobile, computer, and electronic item means the air dryer, washing machine, likewise the exported items. For that one, you need to pay custom duty. You are not going to pay the distributor. So a particular company, they are exporting that particular product from abroad. So they need to pay the tax and transport that one to their warehouse. From that, they need to supply for regional shops. From that shop only you are buying. So that means all the cost, custom duty, transportation cost, maintenance cost, and warehouse cost, everything. So that's why when you think about a car in the foreign countries, mostly everyone has car, but in our country, only rich people. Okay, only rich people have car. What is the difference between that? Because in those countries, they are the manufacturers and producers of those cars, so they can sell that car to a low cost. But while exporting that car to Sri Lanka, for an example, when I take this car is 4 million rupees. 4 million means 40 lakh. 4 million rupees at Dubai. When you need to transport this car, okay, export this car from Dubai to Sri Lanka, that particular distributor, they need to pay 200 percentage of custom tax to the government. 200 percentage. The price of that car is 4 million. The tax is only tax is 8 million. So after, with addition to tax, now the price of the car became 12 million. In Sri Lanka, this custom cost, these are really high for car. These are called as comfort goods. These are comfort goods because everyone don't need car. If you need car, you need to pay. You will be able to pay that much amount to buy a car. So that's why these are called as comfort products. For a mobile phone, that is not a necessity for every human. Okay, nowadays it's necessary. We are not going to talk about that. The production cost of the mobile phone in abroad, mostly in Gulf countries, 1,000 US dollars. No, 100 US dollars. 100 to 150 US dollars is a rich the flagship mobile phone, iPhone, Samsung phones, likewise. When you export that to Sri Lanka, $150 means that is around 45,000. Likewise, okay, when you convert that to Sri Lankan money, it is 45,000. But we can't buy that particular phone for 45,000 at Sri Lanka. So since it is a comfort good, the tax is really high, around 300 percentage tax. So $450 only tax. So that means the distributor need to pay 135,000 rupees as tax after completion of the after settlement of tax. Now the mobile price is 180,000. Just 45,000 mobile became 180,000. So they cannot sell that with for 180,000 itself. They need to add some amount of profit. If their profit margin is 40,000, okay, 40,000, you need to pay 220,000. That means 2.2 lakh money you need to give to buy that phone. So that's why to buy these kind of electronic items, most of the people would prefer to buy those items from other countries, but that is not possible at all nowadays, because look at the margin of the tax. It is not a simple one, it is too huge. Look at the car, 4 million car, tax is only 8 million. Thereafter 12 million is the amount of car after paying the tax. Then they need transportation, warehouse, maintenance cost, and the additional fittings, and car means they need to give service after everything. This car will be around 50 million in Sri Lankan rupees. That means 1.5 crores you need to pay to buy a car. It's worth just 40 lakh in abroad country. Same car, no any additional features. Due to the percentage of custom duty only, this amount became some amount of multiples. Okay, it is around 3.3 times of the initial price we need to pay. If you have this much money at abroad, you can buy around 3 cars. You have this much amount of money in abroad, you can buy around 6 or 7 iPhones. To buy a single iPhone at Sri Lanka with that same price, you can buy 6 or 7 iPhones at particular country. So that's why we are studying custom duty. It is an important thing to know. For the imported items and exported items, they are charging custom duty in shipping cost or the flight cost, all included. Country to country, the percentage is differ. Product to product also, the percentage will differ. And after inclusion of that one, it will become huge, much huge. Look at this, 4 million car became 15 million. So it is too huge.